NFTs started with Bitcoin-based colored coins in 2012 to 2013 and became a phenomenon. In 2021, Ethereum played a pivotal role in popularizing NFTs. The history of NFTs can be segregated into three sections: 2012 to 2016 early era, 2017 NFTs on the rise, and 2021 the year of NFTs. Colored coins were created to represent and manage ownership of real-world assets on the blockchain. The development set off a series of experiments that culminated in NFTs. The arrival of Ethereum provided NFTs with the platform they required to flourish. CryptoPunks became a huge success and was the foundation of many other NFT projects. Axie Infinity, an NFT-based battle game, was released in October 2018. NFT gaming combined with metaverse projects to formulate a new momentum. The success of the Rare Peeps was followed by Larva Labs, a software development company that launched CryptoPunks. Axie Infinity set the ball rolling for play-to-earn games. NFTs in 2021 witnessed a spike in supply and demand. The emergence of digital art provided artists with another venue to showcase their creativity. Renowned auction houses such as Christie's and Sotheby's moved their auctions online. Facebook rebranded itself as Meta and strolled into the metaverse space. Ordinals launched in January 2023, exploiting the 2021 Bitcoin Taproot upgrade. Yuga Labs announced the rollout of a 12-fold, a new NFT collection to be issued on the Bitcoin network. The NFT market clocked $2 billion in total trading volume in February. BCC Research envisions a market value of the NFT sector of $125.60 billion by 2027. NFTs have come a long way since their inception and are here to stay.